Hello everybody, my name is Leah. Today we're going to be talking about key financial performance indicators. So in every single business, especially when it's coming to the end of the year, you always hear the phrase KPI a lot, right? KPI, key performance indicator, things like that. You hear that phrase a lot. Well, have you ever wondered what that phrase actually is? So today we're going to be talking about what KPI actually is and how do we calculate business KPI. So first, what is KPI? KPI is a percentage change. So it shows a percentage change that's going to have a comparison context. What do I mean by that is that it's going to have a context, it's going to have a meaning of it. So it's not just a straight up number like 3.5 percentage, it's not going to be like 2 percentage. No, not like that. But it's going to be something that's going to have context, that's going to go with some other numbers, and that's going to be able to have context. So if KPI number or key financial performance indicator number does not have any context, then the meaning of it won't be as valuable. What do I mean by this is that when you look into the KPI number, for example, your business is doing really well. Last year on 2024, your total business network is $4 million. But this year, your business total network is $2 million and $200 million and plus another 10 million, for example, like that, right? So when you look at these two numbers, if a KPI number is not having any context, which means that, let me just say, oh, we got like, this year we earned more. We earned $10 million more. Wow, that sounds great, right? $10 million, that's a big amount of money. But that does not have, first, it does not have any comparison value. And second, it does not have any context. So it's going to be rather unnecessary or not as valuable. So what if we actually want a key financial performance indicator number to have context and to actually mean something? Here, we need something that it would be valuable. So in this case here, how do we calculate a KPI number? Is that we take the number that we did like recently and we subtract that number by the number that we did in like the very last few years. Then we divide that result with the money that we did for recently. So for example, after calculating it, I could see that there's 2.5 percentage growth in our company. So if I want to say it in a textual context, then I'll say, okay, last year we made this amount of money. This year we made this amount of money. And in total, we improved a 2 percentage in our KPI. Do you think that is it? Do you think it still has the same meaning? No. Do you still have the same value? No. Because 2% is not that big. And in 1 year, you could only improve for that 1%. So you see the difference, right? So that is what KPI is for. So key financial performance indicators is a very important number. It shows a percentage change, and that percentage change must have a context and must have a comparison meaning. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.